Hi, it's Andy Adams at Boating Industry Canada. I'm at the 2023 IBEX Show in Tampa, Florida, and I found a product that I think is really fantastic, and by happy coincidence, it's coming out of Canada. With me to tell us a little bit about it is Johan. He's from a company that's called beSpline, and they have a shaped foam kit for vacuum infusion layup. He'll tell you all about it.
Hi, my name is Johan from beSpline. I'm the co-founder and president of beSpline out of Sherbrooke, Québec. And we actually do our first IBEX show, and we just won the Innovation Award. So we will be back for sure next year. But basically what we do is we thermoform kits of thermoformable panels that are used to build hulls for yacht builders. So please contact me at beSpline.ca. My name is Johan, and I will be pleased to tell you more about it.